Stop by and take a look at the 2019 Forester. The Subaru Forester is a sensible, practical, and affordable vehicle. It has an impressive, comfortable ride and handles well. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: panoramic roof, all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, brake assist, daytime running lights, LED headlights, tires front all season, tires rear all season, four-wheel disc brakes. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.